So even though this 4-inch, exactly 4-inch beam right there, I can't get 4 inches without being right up against that. That would cause a conflict with the garage door. So I'm making it 3.5. Well, that means I'll have to bend the metal just a little bit to get it in. And they didn't give me self-tapping screws, which I didn't ask for, but generally they have. But I can still deal with that. What I'm using is a 1/8 drill bit, and I marked that 3.5 with a J channel. Not terrible sharp, but we'll put a few more in there and to get that J channel right. And then we'll bring you in when we start doing everything else.